Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. In today's video, we will discuss the trick to remember the Shanghai Cooperation Organization countries. So what is this Shanghai Cooperation Organization countries? Does it have something to do with China? Is Russia also involved here? Is India involved here? Well, we have to find it out. First, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, it is a Eurasian political, economic and military organization. Eurasian means what? So this is in the Eurasian boundary, like Russia is included and the Central Asian countries are included. So this is Eurasian. Political because of political diplomacy, these countries have established a good relation. Then economic, military. Economic means what? For trade relations, all these countries will cooperate. Then for military cooperation also, these countries will cooperate. Basically, when we talk about Shanghai Cooperation Organization, we should remember that it is against the terrorism. Okay. It has been very vigilant in countering the terrorism activities all over the world. The founding leaders were China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, right? So the trick is, you can also use this trick called as UPK cricket. Otherwise, you can directly learn it from the map. Okay, now how is it done? Let's find out. First one, we know in the Central Asia, there are 4 neighboring countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. Okay, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. All these 4 countries. See, Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country of the entire world. Okay, largest landlocked country of the entire world. These 4 countries have formed this, are the part of the SCO. Apart from that, there are 3 best friends. So 21st century's best friend are CPI, as you know, China, Pakistan, India. So they are like bitter enemies. I was just joking. They are bitter enemies. Okay, in everything they cannot find a ground of reconciliation. Okay, so somewhat a lot of bitter relations grow on between among these 3 nations. So China, Pakistan, India, all of these 3 are a member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Then this particular thing has been hosted by Russia, so Russia is also included. Fine. So using the map also you can remember, like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, then China, Pakistan and India, then Russia. This particular organization is very new. It was founded in the year 2003. Okay, very new. Headquarters is in Beijing, China. India and Pakistan have become the member of SCO in 2017. Very recently they have become. Similarly, it has active participation in curbing the terrorist activities. So RATS, which stands for Regional Anti-Terrorism Structure, it is headquartered in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. It is a permanent organ of SCO. Okay, that fights against terrorism, separatism and extremism. Fine. Recently, Shanghai Cooperation Organization have developed their own 8 wonders of the world. In that, India's Statue of Unity has also found its place. Okay, India's Statue of Unity is one of the 8 wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Also, if you observe clearly, all the member nations that are there, so there are 8 member nations and there are 8 wonders, one from each country, like from Kazakhstan, the archaeological landscape of Triangle. Similarly, from China, the damming imperial palace complex. Similarly, Kyrgyzstan, Lake Issyk-Kul. Similarly, from Pakistan, the great Mughals heritage at Lahore. Similarly, from Russia, the Golden Ring cities. Similarly, the place of Nowruz from Tajikistan, the Poi-Kalon complex from Uzbekistan. The Statue of Unity is 182 meters in height. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2018 in the month of October, and it has been included in the 8 wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This particular area is located in the Sadhu Bet Island near Rajpipla in Narmada River. The Statue of Unity lies between the Satpura and the Vindhya range, just where the Narmada originates. Okay, so Narmada flows between these 2 ranges, Vindhya and Satpura. So on the banks of Narmada River, this particular statue is standing here. Okay. Then, when we talk about Shanghai Cooperation Organization, we cannot forget a very important trade route that has been set up here. The name is INSTC. Okay, so north to south corridor. So as you can see, in India, the southern point of this particular corridor is in Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai, and in the northernmost, the particular city, that is the extreme point, is Moscow. So that is how you can see here Russia to India connection is there, and now INSTC, which is going via entire Persian Gulf. So It has so the contact can be established with all the countries of this Persian Gulf. So here two important ports, like we know in Iran there is a port called as the Chabahar port. Okay, there is a port called as the Chabahar port. So Chabahar port is very important. Apart from that, in Azerbaijan we know Baku. Okay, so Baku is also very important. So this entire connection is done via this particular route. Okay, this entire connection is done via this particular route. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start hai jaiche. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, for getting additional 10% discount. So apna a referral code ko bhi use kari paribe, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 great educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code Yagya9, YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.